Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Amazon Fire HD8 2022 tablet. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the tablet and then remove the back cover. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or on the side using a plastic triangle opening pick or card pry tool. Using a plastic card pry tool and opening pick tools, gently move around the tablet to free the plastic clip securing the frame. This process will take time and be gentle. Pull the back cover and then disconnect the battery plug from the logic board.